Okay, so once the production order is ready to be built, you just open it up, make any changes to the scrap or the quantities that were actually changed based on the reports given to you from the person that did the production. As long as you don't have any red dots, we can go ahead and build this. And we simply just click on the build button. So this pops up showing me build date, which puts today's date on. This is an important date because this is the date that gets posted to the general ledger. So when it relieves raw material from the GL and puts finished product in, this is the date it's going to use. So if you need to backdate it, you can do that here. This is the quantity being received and assembled. So if I put a 1 here, so I'm only building one of the two, it'll automatically switch this to a 2. But if I put a 2 in here and look at the cost here, it changes the cost to a double the amount. So what this is saying is I'm only actually receiving one of these items into stock, but I'm consuming all the raw materials for 2. So this is making my yield at only 50% is what it's actually doing. You can turn this off if you don't use scrap and yield, but in this case, whatever number I put at the top start with will duplicate. So if you are building the whole thing. Down here shows our unit cost and our extended cost, and then I go ahead and hit the build button. Then it pops up with the purchase order has been successfully built, which means it's putting a P number, so P number 4 here in this case, into purchase history. And purchase history is where we store what we built with all the details of what was built, including serial numbers of everything. We simply click OK. We can now get a report at the end of it to say what we built, and we can give this to the accounting department at that time.